Assalamu alaikum. This is a quick video just to show you how to use the dishwasher in the Al Salam Community Center. So first go up to this switch on the wall, make sure it's turned on. This will give power to the dishwasher. Then just press this big button here once and it will light up. And then it takes about 20 minutes to half an hour for the dishwasher to warm up. Once it has warmed up, to use it, you just need to lift it up. Lift up the handle. Slide your dishes in on the rails. Just make sure that the edges are not sticking out so that the door can close. Make sure that it's not going to hit the fan on the top, the water pressure spray. And then close it. And then the cycle can take between 1 to 2 minutes depending on the settings on the top that you selected. We leave it on default for 1 minute, but you can change that if you like. And once it beeps, once the dishes are clean, you can open it, take out your dishes from the other side. And then if you want to clean the dishwasher, just remove this first. Put these in the center like that. Remove this, the filter tray. This needs to be rinsed in the sink. Okay. And then here there will be some water. Just leave it. And once you've cleaned this, rinse it and put it back here in its spot. There would still be some water down there. Then slowly close this while pressing this big button at the top. So hold that and close it at the same time until it goes to 3/4 like that. You can let go. That means when it's 3/4, that means it's emptying and washing the dishwasher. You can walk away and leave it and it'll switch off by itself.